I know. Now I know how it feels, huh? Now I know how it feels, huh? Me. It's him when he's yelling and fucking extorts and all that shit. Yeah. I got a whole bunch of videos edited. I played a lot of games. You better not. I didn't fucking. No. I answered my phone for you when I was on vacation. There ain't nothing. You're right, there ain't nothing. Good. You can check on me to see if I'm alive. Wait. Oh, my tablet was dead too when I got back to work because my truck didn't work. No, well, no one took my truck for like fucking 3 days. Fucking Neil took his own truck. So, anyways, I didn't know it was dead. I thought it was fucked up, and he kept on trying to charge and shit. Well, and then what sucks is you can't turn your tablet off. They stopped us from turning our tablets off. So it's trying to fucking charge and turn on. They kept on fucking blinking and blinking, and I just logged in on my phone. Are you ready for this? Hold on. Yeah, wait. Where is it? Wait. Where is it? Where's that? It's coming. It's coming. Watch this. Listen to this. Hold on. I'm coming around the corner. I'm coming around. Here it is. Here it is. Here's Ori's house. No, Ori calls me and says, I don't live there anymore. Oh, his cars are fucking on